day. Ever since I uploaded that damn video about the smugglers, I've been getting people telling me to delete that video. What's that? They've been telling me to delete that video. They're like, you're gonna get in trouble, man. So I'm like, oh fuck, I don't. What do you mean? It's a fun video, you know? Whatever. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this? Wait. Yeah, I'm not alone out here. What the fuck? Who the fuck's out here? Who the fuck's out here? What the fuck? Who's out here? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh!